single day. I'm gonna make something great.
Yo, what's going on, guys? So today we have a little bit different of a video. So we're currently heading to Mexico, and we got another 3.7 behind us. I'm gonna go ahead and run them just to see what it'll do. He is a stick, and I of course am an automatic, but fuck it, we're gonna send it. So I will see y'all guys in Mexico. All right. Hey, that one was so much better. Yeah. Did you see how fast I got off the line? Yeah. Yeah, dude, I was spinning and I'm like doing this number, like heading towards your car, and I just let out. I'm like,
is your GoPro on?
Let me check. Yep, it's on.
All right, let's do a 10 roll.
All right.
My horn don't work, so.
All right. 20? Got him! That's what I'm talking about. That is what I am talking about. All right, let's go see his reaction to that. Oh, that was awesome. Oh, shit. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, we're gonna pull off on the side of the road right quick.
Do I want to wait and just get GT later on?
You're definitely faster than I thought you were, but
I think I have a chance. I think my rear end's different.
maybe. It might be. I'm still stock rear end, but
Really?
whenever I hit it back there, I'm like spinning all the way through first with traction on. I just let out. I redline first, and I'm just like, fuck it. If I hit second, I'm gonna like start.
Can you do burnouts in that?
Yeah.
You can?
Yeah, I can do burnouts like crazy, but my tires are bald as shit.
Really?
But all right, bro.
All right, see you later. I'll pop a quick little burnout. Let me pull up.
All right, bet. All right, let's see this.
That thing sounds fucking good.
I know, doesn't it?
Oh, mine's not that good. Hold up a second.
All right.
What?
Dude, whenever I raced him, I had traction control on, and I was still spinning all the way up there.
You didn't do it, oh, he's waiting on the lights right there, and there's people.
Is that your active exhaust that you put on?
Uh-uh.
Not yet.
No, not yet.
Oh, I forgot you said you're getting bumped. Right.
That's the one that's gonna happen. I'm putting it on
Dude, that was a good race.
The second one, I got it for you.
Did
too.
you see how fast I got off the line?
Yeah, and I saw you dust, and the first
Dude,
one you got your ass in.
Well, that's because, dude, you didn't hear me. Yes, sir! Alright guys, if you want to see more videos like that, please like and subscribe. and comment for more down below. And don't forget to have a good day.